Okay, so we are live. Let's go. How are we doing, Mr. Rektober?
Hi Nico, what's good? Such a crazy day this Sunday. A lot of news coming out, right?
Yeah, I mean, it's like I just feel this is why I was like, kind of a meme, but like I'm tweeting, I think pump on Monday, not because I think that we're gonna get a crazy reaction or anything. I just think the market's been so boring and dead for the last week or so, and people are sort of like pissed off and bored that as soon as like anything mildly decent comes out, like some of this, TST stuff on Binance or like this David Portnoy stuff, everyone just like jumps on it. And it's the weekend, everyone's bored, everyone wants to gamble, so yeah, it's good fun.
Yeah, what impressed me the most is like you see, he said like fucking launching this coin, it just got listed on spot Binance. Fucking
Bro,
crazy.
it's insane.
Like this
It's
test
insane.
token, and I also was speaking with like some other friend that I know, and he was like, this flash on Ethereum, and like everybody was just panicking on that flash. Everybody got liquidated, like everybody. It was the biggest liquidation event in history of crypto. Like after that, they liquidated everybody, panic sell, maybe hold it for like 2 3 days. That it looks fucking cooked. Solana trading 200 after Trump launches meme coin, but at the end of the day, BTC is still at 97K. I don't understand how people can just like over gamble that much on meme coins or like in worthless stuff. And yeah, right now we see like C said is trying to push his own coin, right? You see BN like Binance coin is up 6% on the daily. That's fucking crazy, bro. Like just for that meme coin, like insane. And
This is
yeah,
insane.
I'll share like if you want, I'll start sharing few charts. I just want like I think it's better like if I share the chart so people
Yeah, for
can
sure.
like
I'll take myself off stage
wait,
and you
wait,
can add
yeah,
yours.
show it there. You're showing it. It's good. Wait.
Okay.
Yeah, we're seeing
Let me
that,
know what you want to pull up.
bro. Like just after his first tweet, you see the first candle, like on the 7th, over there on the 7th. It
Yeah,
just
is that
went to
here,
like
right?
20 million. That's
Yeah, I
his
saw
first.
it at 20.
Imagine you just fucking buy there, bro. Like
Honestly,
it's
I don't
like
know.
20x from there. That's insane. And before that the tweet
Oh,
of
I have to
Cicel, like
zoom so much. Oh my god.
it's fucking insane. Half a billion, bro. This could go way higher. And the only to see the effect that it
28x.
has on BNB, like the proper Binance coin, bro, like fucking meme coin. And he wants to push this 4 dot meme to try to like take some market share out of like PAMFAN. And Solana is like losing a bit of momentum, and he fucking posts this like this guy's a genius. I mean, he's out of jail
And
and
he's
everybody's
reacting to Dave Portnoy as well.
yeah, everybody's like going on crime season mode. He doesn't fucking give a fuck. I think he went to jail. He was like, jail ain't that bad, and he just fucking like gonna do whatever it takes. And you see right now, Solana is going down and BNB going up, bro. Like if you see both charts, it's fucking insane. So yeah,
Yeah.
I mean, in general, the market. I'm gonna start like talking about the market like in general, like not just what happened today, but
Yeah, of course, of
a
course.
lot of things are happened today, and I think like perhaps we're closer to the bottom in some pairs. So wait,
Uh,
I'll try to share my screen. Mm,
yeah, BNB's up, I guess, nearly 20% on the week.
yeah.
Actually, not so much considering it after the nuke. But yeah, it's definitely doing well. It's definitely outperforming.
Yeah, but it has like this is so crazy that a founder does it like that, and he's not even like sleek about it.
Oh, we've lost Rektober. Give him a minute to reconnect, maybe. GM, guys. Rektober was here just a second ago. He's just disconnected. He's back now. Um, technical difficulties. Give him a sec. But yeah, I mean, this stuff's honestly fucking insane. You can see. I think the main standouts. We just listed Jo Stool on Ox. We're going to be also listing Big Balls as well. But right now, I think all eyes are on the BNB ecosystem. Let me add Rektober. There we go.
Yeah,
How
I'm
we doing,
back.
sir? You're
Sorry, bro,
back.
I was trying to share my screen. I never used like this
No, no
thing.
stress, no stress.
Okay, now I should be able to. New
Yeah.
tab,
When you do it, I'll be able to pull it up when you do.
entire screen. Yeah, let's go. I think I can now. You're in the show. Yeah, let's get it done. Okay,
Yeah.
so I'm gonna open some charts. I'm gonna start by like stock market. I was looking at this today, and also shared like, bro, check this fucking chart. It's insane, right? We see over here like COVID crash, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's like the biggest flash ever. Like everybody was panicking, BTC going down. Market went down like 35%, right? Since then, it's been up only for like 5 years. And it just went up like 180%, like the whole economy, right? Right now, it feels like, for me, it feels like it's close to a top, like over here, bro. It barely did a higher high. Barely. Just had to like cut all those shorts, all the stops shorts over here. I feel like stock market could see a retracement here. That's the only thing that worries me actually. The BTC chart doesn't look that bad, but this fucking worries me, right? You see a high here and barely another high here. And if you see the relative strength index,
Mm-hmm.
it doesn't look good. Look, let me add this indicator right. RSI here. Just check it, right? So
Mm-hmm.
this is a high and this is lower. When the price goes higher, but the
Bearish divergence, right?
yeah, that's a bearish divergence, bro, and that's so fucking obvious. And we are in the top of the range. I think like at least we go here, right, in the RSI. So
Mm-hmm.
I don't know how low we can go here, and BTC is tied up to that, bro. Like people don't realize how much BTC depends on the stock market in USA. So
Yeah. I think a lot of
here
crypto people just too
we
focused
see
on
the
the crypto
weekly,
charts.
and it's exactly the same. Like, bro, it's so obvious. You see here, like higher high, like this is a fake pump when Trump got inaugurated, like all fucking inorganic as fuck. But it's same playbook as 2021. But over here, it's even more obvious, right? We see like this divergence, and it's already almost confirmed because we're gonna close the weekly. If we go to the middle of the chart, I don't know, BTC could easily go and grab all of this liquidity, bro. Over here, there's so much liquidity.
Yeah, I can see 85. I think a lot of people do.
I
The
mean,
question is, after 85, do you think lower or you think market
nah,
generally will still keep
I think
running?
that's it, bro. That's it. And
That's over.
that's a good trade, I think. Look, it reminds me like 2021. You see, it barely made a higher high over here, and same, so much overbought indicator, and over here you see the confirmation, right? Price goes higher, but the RSI goes lower. Boom,
Mm-hmm.
confirmation. Look what happens. Boom. And I think a lot of people like are panicking. Like you see the founders, like she said, like everybody's doing like random shit, bro. Even Vitalik put up the Milady, and they're just going a bit schizo because they feel like the cycle could be over, and then don't wanna like just eat to finish. But it doesn't look that good to me personally. So yeah, he tried to say that. You see that when it goes
Mm-hmm.
down till 500, that's a fucking big nuke to flush everybody, and he had to put out some crazy bullish news, and he now trying to make BNB like the
Great again.
platform memes and all that. But Solana, bro, looks way worse, I think, because you
Yeah,
can
I'd be
check
interested to see.
BTC, you can see BTC somewhat is already like still above this all moving average. It's like holding out at 6. It's all right. It looks like the stock market in America. It looks kind of right. Like not that bad. This could go a bit higher, no problem. But Solana is trading like in 20 days there's some big unlocks, and that was exactly gonna happen. Like it's the biggest unlock in the past 6-7 months, right? It's like $2.5 billion, and it's just in one day they're gonna like I'm pretty sure they're gonna sell it, right? So people are hedging, people are waiting for like a fake out. Maybe there's like a big wick to take out all of the shorts here.
Hmm.
But maybe this was that, right? Maybe there was like a lot of shorts here with stop loss here, and they just took them out, boom, and now we're gonna go range low. That's what
Yeah, to
I
be
feel.
honest, I was surprised to actually see Solana bounce compared to everything else today. I think it makes sense considering it's been suffering a lot over the past couple of like days / week or
Mm,
two. But it's interesting to see all of this now, considering that Solana was the thing that was outperforming most of the way up.
yeah, and still, like as you say, it's down a lot, right? It's down a
It's
lot
down a
because
lot, yeah. I mean, the Trump stuff, definitely was like way too much. I mean, you can see the overbought on the RSI, even for example.
Mhm.
That was
Yeah.
definitely like a very inorganic, not inorganic, it's completely organic, but it's just like not normal.
I think like at least we go here to mid range. I think this is gonna get rejected, and we at least go one more time here. That's where I'm looking for a long, right? And it aligns perfectly because that's for our chart. It aligns perfectly with like something like that, right? There's unlocks, there's all this stuff. There's a lot of noise in the market. I feel like something like that. It just makes sense, right? Even one more week, like a crazy week here, and then just boom. That's what
Yeah.
makes sense to me, right? And
A
in
lot
the
of
air
smart
side,
guys, personally, that I've been speaking to though, are not really super concerned by the unlocks, considering
yeah,
that it's actually a pretty small amount. And I think just people react to these narratives a little bit differently than they did like last cycle. And a lot of this stuff I think is already priced in. Is what at least a lot of people have said to me. I'm kind of not sure personally.
one more thing that I always look at is like memes, right? You see, whenever the real Solana bull market started, Bonk was one of the memes that run the hardest, bro. It was fucking unreal. Let me put it like in the weekly chart.
Out of interest, these green and red triangles you have in your chart, what do they represent?
It's like use the some signal in the moving average. Wait, it's like a moving average indicator, right? So it's
Crossover type thing.
buy signal, sell signal, right? Okay. So over here, that's when the real bull market in Solana started. That's November 23. Look, let's see in Solana. November 23. Over here, you see it starts going up. Boom. Same like Bonk. That's when it started to go so fucking heavy. And this chart is so artificial, but it shows a bit how the retail is doing, right? When you see memes, you see how the retail is doing. And retail is just fucking like selling, kind of like. This chart is very organic. There was no whales, there was no like manipulation. Nobody had like supply of this. This is 100% retail meme coin chart. So over here, we see like the climax, right? When it pumps so fucking hard. And a lot of memes look like that, bro. They're just down 75%. And that's like a big market cap meme. And that's not bullish, right? When you see something like that, 75%, you're like, fuck, is the bottom has to go up? No, this don't look good. This doesn't look good at all. Like, this doesn't look good. Pepe also doesn't look good. This is like the most popular memes ever. And they're just like going back to this boom, 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 this support level at some point has to break down. Let's see one more. Dodge. Dodge also like I don't like it, bro. I wouldn't beat here. And if I wouldn't beat memes here, I'm not sure I'll beat like Solana or something similar, right? Look at Solana against BTC, bro. This is a distribution range, bro. Whatever people want to say, people like VCs, everybody's distributing your coins. It don't matter like all the noise with pump fund and stuff. At some point, we have to go. I know that I'm
Hmm.
being so bearish, but you have to understand that all altcoins, all meme coins are there first of all to bring volume to the exchanges, right? It cannot only be BTC. And after, when you make some money from meme coins or altcoins and stuff, you need to take profits into BTC. That's what people used to do back in the day. There was like a platform called Bittrex, and your balance was in Bitcoins, right? So your goal was to trade meme coins and trade like
Yeah, it's
altcoins
very similar to Ox, like quanto
to get
denominated, right?
to accumulate more BTC. Yeah, something similar. So your whole balance was in BTC. Your whole point was to accumulate more BTC, and that's what the whales do and will always do. That's when there's a real bull market. You see altcoins going up, but when there's the bear market, altcoins and meme coins get fucking cooked. And the BTC dominance speaks for itself. Like, look at that. It just cannot stop going up. And I don't think it's going to stop. I really don't think. This is the most bullish chart I've seen. BTC dominance, bro. I don't think this is like even going to retrace at all. It looks like gold.
You
People
think
start
Bitcoin
to
dominance just keeps on going up?
yeah, at least remains in this range.
How much are you? I'd be interested to know how much of this you think is slightly, correlated with pump fund, Solana style meme markets and general like, growth of that ecosystem, and you could argue like mild extraction on the rest of the market in some ways.
I think like also in other cycles there was crazy extraction from retail. Like people are blaming pump fund making money. Even myself, I've done it. Okay, but nobody's like putting a gun to your head and telling you use pump fund. You can also deploy on Meteora. You can deploy by yourself if you want. Like you can do a pre-sale, launch and straight to Radium. Like you can do it. People are choosing to deploy on pump fund because first of all there's like a perfect marketing there. You could like do live streams. They have the platform, right? It's like people using TikTok. The creators of TikTok, the users are complaining, oh, TikTok makes so much money from us. You are using the platform. You can go viral if you use TikTok. You can make money if you use pump fund, right? If there was no pump fund, a lot of people wouldn't have made any money this cycle. So in other cycles, there was NFTs, there was like OpenSea, there was like ICOs back in 2017. There was like these VC coins that retail bought, and the fucking VCs had a deal and sell on your fucking head all these gaming X crypto, like gamify, play to earn, all that stuff. And people forget that, right? At least they don't have a token. There's talks like today about saying that they're gonna deploy a token and stuff like that. But at least they didn't make from like BC's token and they sell you the fucking token. You're using the platform, you have to pay. I kind of understand it. It's fucked up that they make so much money, yeah, but Solana wouldn't be trading at 200 if it wasn't for pump fund. I kind of understand, like in sense. They changed the game and they did a pretty good job, and I'm grateful what they did. They should give back to community with a big airdrop because that made like a lot of money. They're gonna, even if they release a token, the token is going to billions, right? So at least send a bit of airdrop to like early adopters, like people that use the platform the first 2-3 months, stuff like that, you know.
Yeah, the way I see it is like Jupiter has a market cap of around just over 2 billion, fully diluted around 6. So I don't see why a pump fund token wouldn't be worth at least like 5 to 10 billion, at least. And I think it's like the easiest thing for not only the trenches to bid, but also other people. But if pump fund decides to, say, for example, do a virtual style play where they decide to denominate all the tokens in pump token instead of Solana, they will literally like kill the chain. Like at this point, pump fund controls Solana. It's like there's no doubt about it. So they very much like have a lot of power here, honestly. But the thing is, an airdrop's complicated though. Because think about how many guys are using a million different wallets. They're switching wallets all the time. I think what they'll do is if they do an airdrop, it would probably be smarter if they do like a time-based claim or something like that, because you're going to get a lot of guys who have a lot of tokens and a lot of wallets that they just like never claim. But I guess like that could be a smart way to almost like burn some of the circulating supply by people never really realizing it's in like an old wallet they don't use anymore or something.
Yeah, I mean, it'll make sense that there's an airdrop. If there wasn't an airdrop, I don't think nobody's even gonna care that much about the token. It'll be just fucking artificial.
I wonder if they'll try to like blacklist some of the users that were trading via BullX, Photon, these kinds of platforms to try to like more so promote trading on pump funds specifically, because I know that's like a big issue they've been having is getting users to actually trade via the pump fund page and not just interacting with the coins on it from other platforms. They obviously did pump advanced, but that didn't turn out super great. Yeah, what do you look at here in terms of liquidations, open interest, like this kind of stuff?
Yes, this is quite interesting tool that I've been using a lot.
Yeah, CoinGlass is great.
This one is Coinalyze, but CoinGlass is also decent. You can kind of like time tops and bottoms with this tool, right? For example, when there's like a big week here of short liquidations, you can start to sell after, right? Boom, you can start to sell. When there's like long liquidations, you can start to buy a little bit. Like that's a good indicator, you see? Here, buy. Here, sell. Here, buy here. Same. Right now, we see like a lot of shorts are piled up, but I don't think these shorts are gonna get squeezed. And I'll tell you why. Because all of these shorts are just covering, right? A lot of people are hedging. I don't know why, but people are hedging here at Solana. For example, they're not hedging uh, Binance Coin that much, that heavy, right?
Yeah. Yeah, Rektober, you should I don't know if you you did, you reposted the stream. All right, we're good.
Yeah, I did. Over here, people are getting liquidated, but it's not that like that heavy size because there was not that much open interest. So there's not that many liquidations, right? You see, for example, there's like 4K liquidation candles, stuff like that. But on Solana, there's some big size shorts open. And I don't think these shorts that open such big size are just retarded. I think they actually know something. They manipulate the market how they want. And over here, we can see like this just got, look, they just got swept. And I think they're going to look for the opposite over here. These highs just got swept, right? All these shorts got filled here. And you can see the open interest in the same time over here. Boom. You see how it goes up? Like really goes up. The open interest go down or up. This means shorts got filled. If the open interest went down, that means like people got liquidated here on the short, right? But there's like people hedging Solana for a reason, and I'm not sure like what's it about, but I wouldn't long Solana here. It doesn't look good. I would rather long something like BNB because you have CZ like fucking bull posting, going schizo mode and dropping his meme coins, and perhaps he's gonna start listing only coins that are deployed on BSC.
What's the annualized funding rate on Solana right now? Aggregated-ish, roughly.
Wait, let me see.
Because if I was Pump Fund and I had like, I know they sell a lot of their SOL into dollars, but if I had a lot of SOL, I would definitely consider hedging some of it and just farming the funding rate. Also, think about how much SOL, how many dollars they have. Like, they could definitely give these to a couple big market makers and exchanges and have these guys like very strongly like manipulate the market if they wanted to with that kind of size.
Yeah, if you realize like it usually goes red on the weekends, like the rest of the days is gonna go green. I think we open Monday and it's gonna go back to the green. So yeah, it might make sense, but I think these shorts are actually just feel people are just getting shorts filled here because we go lower. That's the only reason that makes sense in my mind. Also, like if you see BTC, Sailor hasn't been buying that much. I think the last time he bought was over here, 29th of January, right? So there's been like 10 or 12 days without him buying. What does that mean? I don't know, but his stock doesn't look good at all, bro. I fucking hate this
Yeah,
chart.
pull up MicroStrategy. Oh, yeah, nice.
I wouldn't buy this, bro. I wouldn't. Like,
I mean, yeah, I definitely think it's had its run. I mean, if you see Bitcoin like run up to
yeah,
120 or something like that, I think obviously you'll see MicroStrategy perform. But otherwise, I wouldn't. Yeah, I mean, to be honest, I think the majority of crypto guys don't even have a real stock brokerage account to even buy half of this stuff. So,
bro, this is like way more likely than people understand. It might sound fucking crazy, right? That it goes so low, but these are prices we've seen in November. Like, it's not that crazy. In November, when like, I think if you really want a short, I'd rather short MicroStrategy than BTC. I think that's a better short. This is maybe like too crazy, but you can short. There's way more chances we go fill this gap over here because it hasn't been like fully filled. This level to 80, you get like a 17%. But if you try to short BTC, I don't think we got like a 17% short on BTC.
so how are you comparing this cycle if potentially we do see a drawdown lower? How are you comparing it to the kind of big drawdown after the first peak in 2021? Do you see us having another run up? Do you see that kind of being somewhat over for this cycle because you think that macro is going to top out? I did see some theories around, you know, the recession that people kind of thought was coming in the previous presidency never really actually came, right?
Yeah.
And I feel like it would almost be kind of comical if like Trump effectuated like a mini recession so he could like buy everything lower, fix everything, and then make everything look really good afterwards. Make it look like he survived a recession, you know, like it was
Yeah.
what the country needed.
The thing with Trump is like whoever controls Trump administration, they can do whatever they want with him, right? I feel like all this like I got shot narrative and all that, it was like in a sense, I don't know if planned, but you just wanted to push that narrative so hard, right? They just make a big deal out of it. Why? Because Trump, after he lost the elections, he was saying like about this guy like asking his people to go revolt, like it's a fake election stuff, like anti-establishment, right? Now he won, and people think he's anti-establishment, but in reality, he's just same as the other ones, right? It's not like that much of a like a radical, or he's gonna change like the deep state and all that. With Trump right now, they can do whatever they want. He's not gonna have 4 more years of presidency. So if these 4 years go bad for Trump, I don't think like people would care that much. Like there's not that much pressure as when he's president for first time. He has to pull like crazy good numbers. I think stock market could go down, and it looks like it has to retrace at some point because this is exhausted, bro. Like there's some signs that the bull started. You know what I'm saying? Like
Mm.
boom, you try once, reject, twice, reject,
It looks
reject.
like you see August 2024. It looks very much
Yeah,
like that double top.
yes, yes, very
Looks
similar.
identical. It looks literally identical.
Yes, but even better. Look over here. This is very similar here. Wait, you see the price is one high, but barely, and same here. One high, but barely, and then rejection. And if this goes down like 5-10%, it's not that much. It's not that crazy. 10%, you go to like this range. People, like for example, Trump could start saying, "Oh, this was because of like a Biden administration, like the aftermath of Biden administration, and after 2026, his own policy starts like having an effect, and boom, another bull. You get a small bear market here, small. I don't think something crazy, and then 3 years of up only, and for BTC will also look nice. I think. Look, we see this looks very like similar to me. You see the first run up here, 2021.
Hmm.
Boom. This looks exactly like that, right? Very similar. So right now we need like a bit of retracement. Like everybody bought Trump president, buy, all retail gets here, and you get the distribution. Like, look, wait.
Yeah, no, I do agree that we need. I don't know what we need, but it's just very likely that we see a good pullback towards
Off
at least
this.
somewhere close to previous resistance.
Look how similar does this look, right? You see this here, boom, 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 boom. That's a distribution range. Look, it looks exactly the same. That's what market makers do. Week of distribution range is what it looks like. 1, 2, 3, the higher. That's the higher here. Boom. You see, I think we're in like that phase right now. Here,
Hmm.
we're in that phase. Support, last point of support. We actually are in the last point of support because if 92K breaks, boom, breakdown. And I don't think it's bearish. I think it would be more bearish if we just keep ranging higher, like nonsense higher. It will look like a bubble, and you don't want it to look like a bubble. You want it to look healthy and organic. And if a healthy reaction to 82 or 70, yeah, this range, you need to feel this. You feel
Yeah,
this?
I do agree. 80 to kind of 85, 80, maybe even a bit lower. Maybe 69.
The last time I'm gonna show you this chart. The weekly to me looks like we're gonna have one more red week. That's it. One or two, something like that, right? I simply don't see like how we can just from here straight up send, because you are not sweeping anything over here. You're not taking this liquidity. You're just like this, like a no volume type of week. You go to the high, you go to the low, you close almost in the same point. But this is not bullish. Opening and closing the same time is not bullish. If we closed over here around 100K or even above 100K, 102, that's bullish. 102, 103. So why would I long here? I'd rather wait for confirmation. I'd rather wait for the moment we go here. If we go here, yeah, you long and boom, higher. But right now it just feels like we're gonna touch this. We gotta touch 89. We have to. Ethereum already showed you, right? Ethereum just showed you like cooked over here. Took all this liquidity. BTC also has to. And it's gonna happen when we have 1 or 2 red weeks on SP500. That's my analysis. That's what I look. And also, like, you can see it on the memes. The memes are not looking good. And when the memes don't look good, it's not a time to like long. I think like cycle's not over, but we do need a correction. After that, it's up only. I would rather short, as I said, micro strategy or strategy now than BTC. It looks better for a short here because you need to fill this line here. This line has to be filled. There's nothing here. Boom, you fill this and then up only. It's good. It's healthy for the market. It's very good. And you can keep catching memes on OX.FUN. You can short or long memes. That's very, very good. Like you can make money in a bear market as well. People don't understand that. Let's for a minute just look at hype, because this is a coin like everybody's looking at. I also think hype goes lower one more time. You see, everybody's just like going crazy about it, but come on, it's nothing new. It's like another coin that really doesn't have that much of a value. Like, what the fuck is hype? Yeah, you get some fees and stuff like that, like BNB. Okay, this also needs another low. Boom. If it goes over here, 19 to 17 range, boom, everybody's fucking all the over leveraged longs.
Yeah, I think if it goes to 19 kind of region again, I think you're going to see a lot of people maybe selling, and you see it go lower, like 17, 18, and then potentially it could get pretty painful. But I would also potentially be a buyer at that kind of region, depending on how the rest of the market is doing. We'll see.
Yeah, a lot of charts look like they need one more sweep. Let's look XRP. Also, XRP sell signal here. It doesn't look that good. Like, boom, you see the high, you take out the shorts, you see the high, everybody shorts here. Boom, shorts get cooked, and now it really goes down, right? This candle might get filled, and on Ethereum, this candle might get filled. Like fill the candle, like it might be. And same here. I do think this candle gets filled on BTC. And once this gets filled here, why can it not go just a little bit lower over here, boom, and bounce after filling all the whales here? Big players have the money here because they know the liquidations are here. People, if BTC goes here, people start crashing the fuck out one last time, and then boom. That's very bullish for the market, because all open interest gets like taken out of the table. Market makers make money, and they have to send it back up. So that's my plan. On Solana, the same. Solana, this has to get filled. This candle 175, and once this gets filled, there's a lot of reasons why you go here to fill.
Yeah,
this
pretty big fair value gap, right? Like not much. There's really not much stopping
that's
it.
perfect. Look, 166. That's a perfect look. Perfect retracement. Also, like think about it, 44%, bro. That's perfect. Boom, and then bounce. It's very similar to this here. Look, it should be like 44. Yeah, look, 44, bro. Look, that's what makes sense. See, 44. It makes sense. 163.
I could see this little bounce that we're having right now in Solana, kind of heading towards where the bounce in the middle of the two recent peaks was. You see in the middle
here, yes.
No, to the left. Yeah, it's like to the middle. Yeah, here. I could see it kind of bouncing up to there, and
Look,
before
this
it like goes lower.
building, yes, this I think I think this goes straight down only by looking at the weekly. I don't like the weekly on Solana. This doesn't scream to me strength at all. This is not a bullish chart like these 3 weeks here. Sell off, one more sell off to fill everybody, then up only. Same on BTC.
I mean, probably the best example to look at recently is if you look at the previous doji style candle. So like you see right now, there's a very small body on this candle. Look at every other small body red candle and see what happens like afterwards.
Yeah, it reminds me more like something like that here. Actually, this type of
Yeah,
because
that's I'm looking at that. Yeah.
this kind of range is what we might see here. Actually, it might not be like that bad. It might be just like some type of range like that. You see, something like that. You see, look, this is what makes sense to me. Boom, something here like that. Go back up, and at some point range higher. But yeah, this has to get filled. I'm sure about it. Like, I'm not gonna trade like with DAOs or something. That's what I've been like thinking of as of late, and SP500 as well. Like I'm this looks stopped. Nvidia, one of the most important, right?
Mm-hmm.
Wait, not this one.
Out of interest, how are you personally deciding to allocate then based on a lot of this information? Are you just trading Bitcoin, Sol, any ETH? Are you like using it to short meme coins? Are you doing anything like that? Like what's your general playbook here?
I'm actually shorting more on stocks than on crypto because I think crypto there's way more short squeeze and hands and all that than on
Yeah,
stocks.
fair
Stocks
enough.
is like so big that it's very hard for you to get like stopped out. If you do like small leverage on stocks, you're quite safe. That's why I think like MicroStrategy is a better short than BTC. If you wanted to hedge your position, you can keep holding your spot BTC, but protect yourself short in here. Because there's a lot of reasons why this fucking company could nuke, and people don't understand. It's a company. It's not like decentralized. It's not that something happens to fucking Sailor, everything goes to zero. So there's a lot of like value for me there. And also Nvidia, it's been up only here, bro, since $15, bro. It's 10x here like a meme coin, and I do think there's like some point it's got to retrace.
What do you out of interest, where do you actually trade most of your stock stuff? What do you use? What app, software, platform?
Look, there's one called this one. This one. It's a good
Nice.
company. Yeah, that's nice. And they're
What do you need
very
what do you need as a setup to use it?
I couldn't tell you right now. Setup like
No problem, just wondered.
yeah, just like need to like get KYC and stuff like that. But they're very solid. They're like you can get like a bank account and stuff in Germany or something. But yeah, I mean, you can also use it if you're in America. You can use this what is it called, Robinhood or stuff like that. But I'm not
Mm-hmm.
sure if they have leverage there. I don't think they have leverage. It's only to buy.
How much what kind of leverage do you typically trade in this stock stuff?
Like 3 to 5x, no more than that.
And in terms of like your margin to like total position size, not so much. Oh, like yeah, like what percentage of your account are you trading with, or are you just like putting everything on the line?
I do like when I do trades, I do like 2 3 trades with almost the whole account. 2 3 trades, full board. But if I need to deposit more, I deposit more.
How was your Jupiter airdrop in the end? Did you get it fixed? I saw you were tweeting a bit about some issues with it.
No, they flagged me as
They're
like
still fucking you?
they flagged me as like a bot. You know, I'm like, what
Oh
the
my
fuck?
god.
It's my dog's wallet. What do you mean? Wait, let's search.
You were trading so much they were like he must be hacking us.
Yeah. Wait, let's search the screen a little bit. Look, Solana looks like we might see some action here. Whoa. I do think this is a range. I really do think it. Like, this is still a range, and that's only the deviation. Look, here and here. That's a good
Yeah,
range.
yeah, deviation.
You can trade that very easily, actually. I wouldn't be scared to like short here on small leverage because you almost get the sell signal here. Wait.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but let's see, sell signal. Yeah, sell signal here. That's all like artificial swap to liquidate everybody here, and then boom. And BNB looks also fucked up, bro. Like, look at that. Look,
Yeah, that does not look good, bro. That looks like it's getting filled hard.
yeah, maybe they just wanted to liquidate some people.
I can see it bouncing at like what
Yeah.
632 kind of range for a very quick bounce, but like that thing is going straight back down to 600 with haste afterwards.
Wow, they just like wanted to take out this. You see here, like this thing, and now just like fucking knocking back down. And let's see BTC. Wow, BTC really doesn't look good. I don't know. It's more of like a bouncing ball pattern. You know, you see like bouncing ball, like it's bouncing, and at some point it's gonna break down. That's what I see. I don't see strength in the chart, so at least in the short term. Of course, long term looks so good, but
What
short
about
term you
more
should
macro style stuff, like with regards to, you know, strategic Bitcoin
look.
reserve
Let's see
and
gold.
general crypto
Gold.
accepting from the party?
Which one? Can you say it again? I didn't get that.
Oh, just like general macro stuff. Like any basically, do you actually think that any of the catalysts that Trump might want to effectuate to be bullish on crypto, whether it be like strategic Bitcoin reserve or other things, could help at all or even happen in the first place?
I don't think that's happening. Like at least in 2 years. Like I don't think it's happening in the next 2 years. I think he wanted to make some money for his own empire a little bit. You see him like deploying this Ethereum finance thing. Like I don't know what it's called, and also like the meme coin and all that. After that, when he became president, he basically just forgot a little bit. He wanted the youth vote. He was
Hmm.
using a lot of TikTok, talking about crypto and stuff. He knows that he talks a bit of crypto, what the youth likes, and like finance stuff. He gets that vote, and then after he kind of like doesn't provide, doesn't feel his
He doesn't
promise.
follow up. He doesn't.
Yeah,
Yeah, he doesn't fulfill the
he's
promises.
not
Yeah.
seeing follow up that much. So yeah, look at gold. When gold's going up like that much, I think you should be worried a little bit because this means like a crisis might come soon. Let me show you the wait. Let me show you the proper gold here. Look, gold's going up, right? You see this is like a stable economy. That's like the moment like economy already recovered. You see here crisis, gold goes super high. Over here we see something similar. Small shakeout here, and then boom, economy rally. With gold, you can also predict other markets. I think right now we're here. Here, we're here. Right? So the dollar also seems like it's gonna keep going higher. If the because Trump's pulling out all
I
these
thought Trump
tariffs.
wanted a weak dollar.
Yeah, he wants, but at first he needs to show like America's in control. The petrodollar is still gonna be there. Like nobody's gonna take his place. He's scared about like uh, China and Russia getting together with the BRICS and all that stuff. Now he needs a higher high here. Trump essentially needs this to go a bit higher. And if the dollar goes higher, every other currency gets cooked. The gold gets cooked. BTC gets cooked. That's what I see, right? Boom. It makes sense that we see a retracement here in a lot of like indicators. I'm looking at. I feel like it's gone right because gold also seems very similar to BTC. Look, boom. You see gold
Yeah, yeah.
from October. Boom. It goes 60%, right? And look at BTC. That's when the dollar kind of like seemed weak. October, almost the same time. You see, fucking crazy. They're
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
very, very look, boom, and the gold, almost exactly the same chart. Boom, do, boom, and now dollar has to make a higher high. Dollar has to rally. This is nothing actually. This means nothing for the dollar. We're gonna see a really big move here because he wants the dollar to be strong, other currency, other countries to get cooked. Gold has to go down. People are start selling gold, selling BTC, accumulating dollars, and I don't think the Fed is gonna cut interest rates now. After what they've been talking about Powell, I don't know if you saw the last meeting of Jerome Powell. He was saying that he really doesn't think it's necessary now to cut rates. What does that mean for crypto? Like people cannot, like the hedge funds, all of them, they cannot go so crazy with the risk. If they cannot cut rates, that means the dollar is strong. There's value in holding dollars. People people always hear about inflation, they never hear about deflation, right? At some point they need to like cut down the money printer, right? At some point. And perhaps we could see that here with a little retracement. So yeah, if we go to 161 on Solana, I'm buying this range, even if it goes a bit lower. And on BTC, same. I really like BTC at 88k. That's perfect to take out some retail, to take out some open interest. Same here with the stock market. Needs a little healthy reset. Like we see one
Are you
time.
saying you'd bid it? You saying you'd bid it for a short-term bounce? What kind of time frame would you be bidding on?
I think 2-3 weeks we hit this for sure. In the next 2-3 weeks we hit this.
Yeah, but then if you're buying that, what are you targeting afterwards?
I think after a reset, I don't know how low we can go actually. Like now that you say maybe like that, and then higher. Yeah, I think something like April, before summer, we could see a run up. End of March, beginning of April is a good time to bid. I think. I think now
What are
we
your
get,
thoughts around kind of I guess the most popular theory is, you know, we're going to top out completely sometime in maybe Q3, Q4 later this year. Maybe things are a bit quiet over summer, maybe a run up until then. What are your thoughts around that and general super cycleness over the next couple of years? Or you think we
the,
see a traditional 4-year cycle?
Well, about this 4-year cycle theory and stuff, I really don't know what to say, to be honest. I have so many like mixed ideas that I rather like not say. I don't know. I feel like crypto at this point, I don't think it's going nowhere. Like we're always
I
on our,
agree.
we're always on social media. I don't think PAM.FUN or meme coins are going anywhere. They're just gonna like evolve into something
Yeah,
different.
completely agree.
They could be like movement coins, cool coins, like meme coins, celebrities, or perhaps have some other type of value. People are gonna get creative, and it's gonna be part of the economy. I do think it's gonna be part of the economy. Yeah, that's my view.
What does this
BTC,
mean for meme coins
I
right now
don't think
then?
like, I don't think the move after Trump and after all these bullish things. I don't think BTC is gonna have crazy movements. I think we should stay on some type of like logical range for the next 3 to 4 years. If nothing crazy happens, we stay ranging. Like something like that. It might look stupid, but that's what makes the most sense. Stay there. Like have some sort of value, like gold, go up a bit, go down a bit, but I don't think we see like a crazy bear market to the point that we go below 50k. I don't think we go below 50k ever again. We might touch 70k at some point. We might go higher, but this is what makes sense to me. Some type of range.
I could see like in a bad market things going to like 45 or something like that. I feel like if you think about what are potential lows for the next bear market, looking at previous ones, like I feel like the 40 to 50 range is pretty reasonable just in terms of like historical analysis. Maybe this cycle is different. Maybe it's finally the super cycle. Maybe Sue's right. But yeah.
Yeah. Look, this chart makes a lot of sense to me. You see this here? It looks like this here or this here. Yeah. It doesn't mean that it's bearish. Like the fact that BTC is gonna lose a bit of his popularity or
Strength.
hype. Right now, so much hype, so much attention on BTC. Yeah, if it is range and BTC kind of like ranges around 90k or even ranges around 85k, 90k, this is bullish. We need stable BTC, like almost like a stable coin, a way to hold value. You know, that's how real bull markets for meme coins, for altcoins happen. So if BTC just stays around here, I don't want it to go like too crazy. Just fucking range, you know. Keep ranging. That's bullish for us if you keep ranging. I'm not bearish. I rather this range like that, and we see other meme coins pop off. Like people, they get bored of holding BTC and they try to like buy something else to like outperform, stuff like that. So yeah.
Nice. Are you trading any micro cap stuff? Have you been trading any of the recent memes, even like TST on BNB or some of these Solana memes with David Portnoy, anything like that?
Let's see some memes. Let's pull up some charts, want to see?
Yeah, let's end on some memes. I think it'll be fun.
Yeah, let's do it. Some of the most
You can
popular
put
ones.
it up on Ox if you want.
Yeah, let's do it. Oh wait.
Should just be Ox.FUN, but yeah, you can go on there.
Yeah, I don't know why it didn't load, but that was it. Okay.
It's probably because of VPN and stuff. That's why.
All right. So let's see. One of the most popular ones right now. Something.
We have a AI meme index as well. You can look at.
Well, let's see, Ox. I want to see.
This is the spot market. Probably better to look at the perp one.
Yeah, let's look at the perp one.
Just
Wait,
search.
this is a perp one? Yeah.
Yeah,
Well,
these are all perps.
let's see with that's a good chart.
Oh, 70 cents. It's so bad. They tried to save it at $1, which didn't work.
Yeah, see, that's what I mean. When I look at Bonk or WIF, that's where I see like that's the real retail, right? That's the real retail. They swept all these lows. Same with WIF. People will be like lured into, oh yeah, long, we're going back to all-time high. I don't think so. I think we go lower. It might be like something people don't want to hear, but this all hype and retail are selling, and they're not selling for USDC and hold the USDC. No, they're selling for paying their rent, paying their fucking car, going on holidays. That money that they're selling over here, that's retail selling. That money is not coming back. Like, believe it or not, people that come new to the space rather buy like a brand new meme than something that looks like this. So yeah, a lot of memes look cooked. Let's speak to a memes cat coins. Let's see.
Yeah, do cat coins. Look at Mew. Look at PopCat.
Popcat. Yeah, today is bouncing a little bit. Wow, Popcat just fucking went so low.
Yeah,
bro.
it's so bad.
Yeah, maybe there's like a little dead cat bounce, bro. But I don't think there's like much of a future for this type of memes.
Yeah, it's insane.
I think like
you think there's any hope for even things like Mog, Retardio? Giga's actually doing okay, so she's holding up pretty well. But even Giga might have its first red month. It's not looking good. I hope they can pull it off, but
I mean, there should be like memes. There might be like some type of dead cat bounce, has to, right, at some point. But I do think like the new money coming to the trenches, so to say, is going to pump fund, is going to this type of coins, right? They want to see the new bright thing. They already missed out on retard. They missed out on all the other things, so they want to buy this, right? For example, oh, she said token and stuff. They come. This is a new money coming, right? They're bridging to BNB, stuff like that. I don't think new money is gonna go and just go and buy PopCat. Like I don't see it happening that much. But there's a lot of money to be made on new memes, like a lot of volume. You can also, if you think like something can go lower, you can short it, right? Like over here. So yeah, there's gonna be like people that really know how to make money. They can make money in any situation. In bear market, no bear market, don't matter. Right now, I'm a bit worried on Solana because if we see, like, to be honest, I don't want to be bearish. but because it's better for me if market just keeps going up. But over here it looks like it either pumps and makes another higher high 2009, or this could break down.
Yeah, I feel like
So
you could potentially see market open pretty red tomorrow, and Solana
yeah,
just breaks back down to like 190.
yeah, like something like that. Because look, over here, this as we spoke, these are short field and also stop loss hit, take out shorts. Now market maker makes sense that we go lower. And yeah, let's see. I want to see Dodge, bro. Dodge is like in charge of the memes, and it looks weak. I don't. This it doesn't look like strength to me. It looks
Yeah,
weak.
no strength on those.
Where to up this only to take out early shorts, but the trend is your friend. That's what they say. And if it this is the clear trend here, you see one low, higher, low, low. Yeah, we can see something like that. This makes sense to me. You see, high, lower, high, low, lower, low. Boom. Maybe a dead cat bounce still here, and we see another low. And if memes do that, fuck, we're cooked. Ethereum also, like Ethereum looks so terrible, bro. Like, not even joking. Ethereum looks like it could fucking collapse. And if Ethereum collapse, people are like, yeah, fuck yeah, Solana going up, BNB's going up. Ethereum look, Ethereum going down is so bearish for crypto, because so many people in the real world know about Ethereum, and it's like a big marketing. If they just see that Ethereum has been going like that for fucking forever, bro. If you see the chart lower, like 2000, like 4 years, and it's even same price or lower than 4 years ago. If we see another red week on Ethereum, crypto in general could follow. Like I know most people are like, oh, BTC leads, the rest follow, but sometimes Ethereum leads. Ethereum is a huge coin, and if something like Ethereum collapses, why can there not be talks about like Solana and stuff like the team and stuff like that? It could be very bearish, right? And
Yeah,
also,
do you
if
think ETH BTC ever recovers?
not to all time highs, and also the fact that Ethereum is doing so terrible, bro. Like I can see Vitalik crashing the fuck out, bro. He's crashing out, changing profile picture, doing like random stuff. This is not bullish, bro. Like, do you see the founder of your company do that? And perhaps there's some like type of fork. There was Ethereum Classic back in the day. Maybe they make a fork of Ethereum Foundation, a new foundation, stuff like that. That's only gonna make the BTC dominance go up, and memes and altcoins go down, because the whales move the market. And if they see the second biggest coin in crypto go down like heavy, because this chart is fucking terrible, bro. If we see another week going to
It's so
2K,
bad,
if
bro.
we
That
go
that
to
wick
2K,
that wick
bro,
looked like it's getting filled, bro. At least
yeah,
down
it
to
goes
like
to a
two four.
this is where all the like resting orders and shit, bro. If we see another 20% on Ethereum, I'm telling you, this is not bullish for the market in general. It's not
Mm.
this money might short term might come a bit on Solana, but it's not bullish, bro. I think we're getting filled. Not here, but this candle we're getting filled also, right? 170. So yeah, that's my strategy. And if other coins are going down, it's also not good for BTC. Like, people don't understand. It's like terrible. So yeah, hopefully we see a market recovery. But from my analysis, I think we see another red week. At least short term next week, I do think it's gonna be red for stock market, for BTC, and for Ethereum. So I wouldn't long here. But hopefully in 2 3 weeks, like end of March, we can like find a bottom and proper go for the next big rally. So yeah, that's it for me.
Someone said, "What are you saying about crash out?" I think
Crash out.
unfortunately, crash out will probably have the same fate as a lot of the rest of the market if it goes how you're predicting.
Yeah, should we? Yeah, crash out. It's a good ticker, bro. Everybody's gonna crash out.
Yeah,
BTC is trading at 97K, and everybody already going like fucking. Like, all these celebrities come here to money grab, like get some money, and they're just down bad. All these rappers, 6ix9ine, all these guys don't have money, bro. Like, and BTC is at 97K, and all of it happened when the market
corrected a little bit. So imagine when we actually go down. That's what a lot of people are waiting for, a dead cat bounce to sell. You understand? Like, that's not bullish. If they're waiting for, oh, when Solana goes to 220, I'm selling it all, or putting like limit sell orders, that market makers know that, and they're not giving you that selling opportunity, right? So there's a lot of selling pressure. I think we get 2 or 3 more weeks of like this range, and after perhaps some more like relief, like proper relief, comes end of March, I think. So yeah.
Yeah, it's funny just because like I feel like not that long ago, following Trump, everyone was thinking this is like super, like it's almost too bullish that it's going to be bearish, because now the top is in early, and so we're going to top out in March instead of the end of the, you know, later in the year. And it feels like in such a quick amount of time, when the market has nuked after Trump launching, people all of a sudden now is like, instead of saying top in March, they're saying pump in March. It just shows you how quickly like this market is changing right now. Like, I think this cycle has been a very hard one to play.
Yeah, very, very hard one, because also the rotations are so quick. Like, everything goes way faster. I think we all have the brain of ADHD brain, like TikTok and all this. We change from one to other thing very quick. But I think like with Trump, I'm a big investor. Think about me like a billionaire, right? For a second. And I'm thinking about buying Nvidia, buying Tesla, going into the stock market. But most of the bullish catalysts already happened. Same for Bitcoin. Like, what is the most bullish thing that could happen? Or some project like Victor, like all of these rumors and all this stuff already happened. So now every bad news could have a terrible effect on crypto. You see this news about DeepSeek, it's not even that important. And look at how the market reacted.
Yeah.
Nvidia went down 17%. That's only the test dump, and people don't understand. There's not only like one dip and go back. No, this was the test dump, and I do feel like that week on Ethereum. Personally, Ethereum looks like it's getting filled. So if you follow Ethereum, yeah. So like, to sum up the stream, I will short MicroStrategy before shorting BTC, or shorting like carefully Ethereum. And I think we get like next week is gonna be a red week. And if I had to long like on size, if I was like rich as fuck, I had to put a lot of money in, I will wait for like end of March, something like that.
Yeah. No, I honestly, yeah, I resonate with a lot of what you're saying. Of course, I would love for the market to go up, but things are not looking great right now, and sentiment is not great either. But I think there's definitely money to be made in both directions, like all across the market. I think that's the good thing about this cycle compared to other cycles, is that even though it's very hard, there's so much money to be made all of the time, even if you have like no certain bias about the rest of the market. Like, there's so much opportunities if you're attentive and you pay attention.
Yeah, if you're a lot of like, if you spend a lot of time on Twitter, or you're like really working for it, you can make money. Like, we have runners on Memecoins. Like, this fucking coin came out of nowhere, this test coin of Binance, right? And it's at 500 million. Just fucking like, there's opportunities, and the market's not even that good, but we live on a different reality right now. It's not like any other cycle. Right now, you can make money even if BTC ranges, even the altcoins are used like ranging. Solana at 200 is perfect. Solana at 180 is perfect still. If it goes to 180, we can still make money on PanFun. We can still make money like deploying the next new big thing. So yeah.
Awesome. Well, yeah, thank you very much for coming on, bro. If anyone is not following Rektober, they definitely should be. I'll upload this whole stream as a video to YouTube as well, so I'll send you the link after. But yeah, super appreciate you coming on. Some good views. You went pretty fucking in depth. So yeah, I appreciate it a lot, man. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks, bro. It was great to talk to you. Bye-bye.
Awesome. Bye, man. Have a good day.